If you're seeing SurveyMonkey Error Code 1, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a few simple fixes you can try right now to get back into your account and keep working without the frustration. This error is often caused by a temporary browser issue, a session problem, or something as simple as cache data that needs to be cleared. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. If this video helps, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, try refreshing the page. You can press F5 on your keyboard or simply click the reload button in your browser. Sometimes SurveyMonkey just needs a quick refresh to reconnect properly, and this instantly clears up the error. If that doesn't work, the next thing to do is log out of SurveyMonkey completely and then log back in again. Sign out of your account, wait a moment, and then sign back in using your normal login details. This can fix session errors, especially if your login session has expired or become corrupted. If the error is still showing, move on to one of the most common fixes, which is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to the privacy or history section, and clear your cached files and cookies. After that, close the browser fully and restart it before trying SurveyMonkey again. In many cases, this step solves the problem because old browser data can interfere with the site loading correctly. Another easy fix is to try Incognito Mode. Open a private browsing window and log into SurveyMonkey there. If the site works in Incognito Mode, that usually means the issue is caused by extensions, cookies, or saved browser data in your normal browser session. If that still doesn't help, try using a different browser altogether. For example, if you're using Chrome, switch to Edge or Firefox. If you're on Edge, try Chrome instead. This is a great way to check whether the problem is browser-specific or related to your current setup. Finally, check your internet connection. Restart your Wi-Fi router if needed, or switch to another network such as mobile hotspot to see if the issue is being caused by a weak or unstable connection. A poor connection can sometimes trigger login and loading errors inside SurveyMonkey. So to recap, the main fixes are refreshing the page, logging out and back in, clearing cache and cookies, trying Incognito Mode, using a different browser, and checking your internet connection. One of these steps will usually resolve SurveyMonkey Error Code 1 and get you back on track. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy fixes and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.